Hey guys, I just purchased a $25,000 funded trading plus demo challenge. There's step 1 evaluation here, and if I pass it, then they give me the actual funded account. So what we're going to try to do is just earn $2,500 or 10% without losing 5%. So I'm going to go ahead and take a trade on the S&P 500 here. This is currently 7 a.m. so this is pre-market hours. Okay, so I got my position set up, so I'm short 3.25 lots of the S&P 500. I'm looking for about 40 points of profit, and my stop loss is set up here. So if I lose my stop loss, then I'm losing about 4% on my account. That should be fine. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest, I'm up about $340 here, so I'm gonna close this trade, and I don't really want to be in it anymore. Alright, this is kind of funny. I'm gonna go long here on the same thing. Alright, so we're crashing even harder, so I'm gonna add more with the same stop loss and take profit up here somewhere. Alright, it's 3:45 p.m. The markets are almost closed, so this trade, I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. So we're up like about $200 on the trade, so I'm gonna close it. And that's probably all I'll be doing this week, and then I'll start up again next week. Alright, so this is the dashboard. So yeah, we're up about 2% on the account, about $500, so we need to make $2,000, and then we should pass step 1, and then we have to do step 2. So yeah, we'll start trading again next week. Alright, so it's Monday, it's pre-market hours, 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to take a sell position here on the S&P 500. We will see this plays out in our favor. The market's open, so I'm just going to add some more to this position here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of this trade because I'm up $500. So that was a big move right there, so I'm just going to go ahead and get out. So we just spiked up again, so I'm going to have to take another sell position here. I don't even necessarily want to, but I have to. There's too much opportunity. Alright, we're finally coming down, so I'm up about $250, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close this trade. It's almost the closing time. It's about 10 minutes till close. Okay, so it's Tuesday. I'm gonna go long on the NASDAQ. This might be a bad idea. I might add more actually. Yeah, I'll add more. Okay, it's after market hours and I'm still in this NASDAQ trade. So what I'm going to end up doing is just leaving the stop loss at break even, and then I'm just going to leave it overnight. Okay, so while I was sleeping, I got stopped out here. These two trades, I got stopped out for a $20 profit, so that's not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm going to short the New Zealand dollar here. This is the hourly chart, and we'll see what happens. So this is just an update on the trade. We're up about $560 right now. So my take profits at $700. Hopefully it comes down and fills me. Okay, so we just got filled here. Okay, so this is the dashboard again. So we're up over 8%. We've made over 2,000. So all we have to do is just make $464. And then we pass step 1, and then we got to do step 2, which is only 5% profit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and short the New Zealand dollar again. See what happens. Alright, so while I was sleeping, my take profit got filled, and we reached the profit target on the account. So I'll show you the email now. Alright, so this is the email saying that I passed, and then I received another email with my account details, so I'll go ahead and log into that new account and start trading it now. Alright, so before I start trading the step 2 evaluation, I just wanted to show my trade. I literally profited every single trade except for one because I got stopped out because I forgot to put a stop loss, so they went ahead and liquidated my order instantly. But other than that, I literally had 100% accuracy, so that's not too bad if you ask me. Alright, so yeah, we'll start step 2 now. Alright, so we're on the new account now. So I'm going to go ahead and open a position here in the SPX. So this is the first trade on the account. And we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're down about $200 on the trade. But since we're down, I just went ahead and added some more to this position. So now we're 5 lots long on the SPX. Alright, we're up over $500 on the trade now, so I'm just going to go ahead and close this, because I don't know if it's going to continue like this, but I'm quite happy with this trade here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and short the New Zealand dollar again. Okay, so we got the trade set up here, so hopefully it comes down here and fills me. If it does fill my take profit, then I believe I pass the account, and then I get the actual live funded account. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so while I was sleeping, unfortunately, I hit my stop loss. As you can see, I lost like over $700, but that's fine. So yeah, this is the dashboard. So we're down about 1% on the account. So I'm just not even gonna trade anymore today. Just gonna wait till next week, and then we'll start trading again, and then hopefully pass. I'm not too worried. Okay, I just said that I wasn't gonna trade anymore today, but this is just so absurdly exhausted here that I have to open a sell position here. So I have some pretty tight stops because I don't want to lose my account. So yeah, I'm just taking a small size here and we'll see what happens. Okay, so unfortunately we just got stopped out. So now we're down like over $600 on the account, but it's all good. I'm gonna trade again next week and we'll get it back up into the profit. So yeah, should be fine. Alright, it's Sunday and the S&P 500 just gapped up here. So I think it's mad exhausted, so I'm gonna go ahead and open a sell position and we'll see what happens here. I think it's way too exhausted on the upside here, so yeah, we'll see. Alright, so it's Monday now and the position hasn't really changed much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more to this position. Short the S&P 500 again. Alright, so like we literally are just sitting here for days and days and nothing's happening, so I'm gonna open up another position on the New Zealand dollar here and we'll see what happens. Alright, so here's a little update on the trades. We're down on this SPY trade, but the New Zealand dollar is up quite a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and close this New Zealand dollar trade for about $600. So yeah, we'll just leave this SPY trade open and see what happens. Okay, so we're up about $200, and I don't really like the way this is behaving though. I don't know if it's going to come against me, so I'm just going to go ahead and close this trade. But overall I'm happy with it, and now our account is back in the profit. I kind of like the New Zealand dollar, so I might go ahead and open another position on this and we'll see what happens. Alright, there was some serious news and the New Zealand dollar spiked all the way against me and filled my stop loss, so I just lost like $1,000 right here. So yeah, that's extremely unfortunate. We're down like $900 on the account right now, but I think we can get it back into profit, so I'll start trading again tomorrow. I'm not actually worried at all. Alright, so the volatility died down a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go long again here. Okay, so unfortunately we got stopped out again, so I'm gonna go long again here on the New Zealand dollar. Alright, we're about to get some news here. Okay, so yeah, so we're up almost $900 now. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. We'll see what happens. Okay, so yeah, it's finally coming up here. We're up like over $1,700 just on this trade, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close it early so I don't have to think about it anymore. If it comes back down here, I might open another position again, but right now I'm just gonna close it. Alright, so this is the dashboard now. We're up over $700 on the phase 2, so all we have to do is just make $540 and then we should pass, and then we get the actual live funded account. So that's when the fun begins. So yeah, hopefully we can get these last couple of trades in and pass the evaluation here. Alright, so we're coming down a little bit again, so I just took another position here. I just bought it, and my stop loss is here, and if my take profit gets reached, then I believe we pass the account, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so while I was sleeping, it came up and hit my take profit, so we basically reached the profit target on the account. Alright, so here's the dashboard. So yeah, we reached 5% on the step 2 evaluation. We're basically done with the demo account, and I received this email saying that we passed phase 2, and then I received another email giving me the login credentials for the actual live funded account that I will begin trading next week. So yeah, we completed the challenge, and now we have the live funded account. And this little documentary that I filmed turned out pretty well because I passed the challenge. So I really appreciate anybody watching, and I might continue doing YouTube videos in the future, and I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, if you could give the video a like, that would be awesome. And I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.